Hello everyone! For today's video po is how to verify Shopee Pay account. Kailangan po natin dito ay internet connection, cellphone, ID, and Shopee account. But before that, kung kayo po ay interesado, tumutok lang dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, open lang po natin ang ating Shopee application. And then, click natin tong username natin. And then, edit profile. Okay, so i-edit po natin ang ating information to make sure po na same yung mga details sa ID na gagamitin natin. Yung name, gender, and birthday. And then, after natin ma-edit yung mga detalye, ay back muna natin and click Shopee Pay. Okay, may matatanggap daw po tayo na 30 pesos once na nag-verify po kayo sa ibinigay ni Shopee na date range. Okay, tap na natin tong verify now. And pwede nyo pong basahin itong lahat if why we are required to verify our identity. Then, i-check po natin itong dalawang box and click next. Dito po sa facial verification, make sure po na there is a light on your background and alisin po natin yung mga nakatakip sa ating mukha like hair, glasses, or any accessories, and huwag po tayong gagalaw. Okay, i-click na po natin itong start facial verification and itatapat lang po natin dito sa bilog yung ating face and then hold on. Okay, and next is identity. Okay, click lang po natin tong ID type and mamimili po tayo dito ng ID na gagamitin natin. Pwede po dito yung UMID, driver's license, passport, national ID, ERC ID, SSID with date of birth, postal ID, PhilHealth ID, NBI clearance, OFW ID, and so on. Piliin nyo po dito yung ID type nyo. Okay, so ang gagamitin ko po dito guys ay PhilSys ID. Okay, click lang po natin itong PhilSys ID. And now, kailangan na po natin mag-take a photo. Ito po guys na nauuna, ito yung front of ID card. And yung pangalawa ay yung ating back of ID card. Okay, tap natin to. Pwede po natin ulitin kapag hindi po malinaw ang pagkakakuha. Okay, ilalagay po lang po natin dito sa frame. Then, capture. Then, check. And next ay yung back of ID card. Okay, and then kapag na-i-upload na po natin yung ating ID, front and back, tap na natin tong confirm. Then, makikita po natin dito guys yung ating personal information. Yung ating first name, last name, middle name, yung ating email, ID number, nationality. Then, dito guys sa source of funds, okay, so maglagay po kayo dito if allowance, business, deposit, employment. Okay, so mamili po kayo dito. Then, place of birth, pwede po natin dito lagyan. Then, mag-enter po kayo ulit dito guys yung mga information na wala pa pong nakalagay. And then, select. personal information. Makita po natin dito yung ID type, first name, last name, middle name, email address, ID number, and nationality. Then, confirm. Okay. And then, check po natin dito guys yung ating personal information. Makikita po natin dito yung ating ID type, first name, last name, middle name, email, ID number, nationality, then your source of fund, place of birth, and so on. Okay, and then confirm na natin dito guys. Then, information submitted. Okay, we are verifying your ID due to the high volume of application. The process may take longer, so we appreciate your patience and understanding. Then, tap natin tong OK. Okay, so sabi dito guys ay we are verifying your ID and you will be notified once your ID verification is successful. Okay, after 5 business days po ay na-verified na po yung aking Shopee Pay. Okay, so open po natin ulit itong aking Shopee application. Okay, and then click natin tong notification. And click po natin tong finance update. So, ayan guys, identity verification success. Congratulations, your identity has been verified. Okay, tap natin yan. Okay, so after 5 business days po ay na-verified na po itong aking Shopee Pay. Ang sabi po dito ay congratulations, your verification application was successful. You may now enjoy a higher daily transaction limit and other Shopee Pay services.
So hanggang dito na lang po itong video. Sana po ay nakatulong po ako sa inyo. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood. God bless and see you on my next video. Bye bye!